So I am making this video because someone asked how did I make my scythe and how did I make my statues. So I'm just gonna give y'all a step by step of what I did. So of course, first the statue started out as just a blank statue. I took and bought some gray paint and I painted the entire statue. After I painted the entire statue with the gray paint, I took some plain silver glitter and threw the glitter onto the paint so the glitter would stick to the paint. After the entire statue had the silver glitter on it, I took a clear coat of clear paint and painted over the silver glitter to kind of lock it in. After that, I went and got some accessories for Santa Muerte, some flowers, some other paints. I painted, of course, the hourglass black. I gave her a flower crown, a crown of flowers, and an actual metal crown to go on top of those flowers. And I actually ended up sewing the crown to the top of the flowers to keep it attached. I used different glues to glue the flowers to the statue. Super glue and different thicker glues. I also kind of didn't think it was blingy enough. Right now, this is the first time, this is the first rendition of her, just with the regular silver glitter and the paint and clear paint. But I thought that the paint wouldn't quite hold the silver glitter, so I might need something a little stronger, and I wanted her to bling a little bit more. So I thought about doing everything in epoxy resin. So I went and purchased some epoxy resin, and I mixed it up and got everything mixed. And then I took some opalescent glitter, and I mixed the glitter. I don't have a clip of that, but I mixed the glitter into the resin. And then I just took a wide paintbrush and began to paint her. So I painted the entire statue with more glitter, but this time using epoxy so that it would all lock in stronger. And then I was able to cover her scythe and really make it stand out with the epoxy as well. This is me mixing the epoxy with, this is the glitter I used. And now I don't have to worry about any fallout from the glitter. And I can literally wipe the statue down with a rag and soap. I can put oils on it and everything, and I won't have to worry about fallout or glitter falling onto the floor. It is securely locked in. I also used epoxy resin to attach her scythe to the statue. And that was quite a challenge, but I don't have a video of that as well, but that's how her scythe is permanently attached to the statue. And I feel like she's more vibrant now. She has so much glitter on her right now that I don't know if I've shown her in the best light with my camera that I have, but it is really gleaming. And I'm really happy with the project. I worked on this for months, but it's finally finished, and I'm really happy with the results. So here in a moment, you're going to see the final results of the statue. And I hope to see you guys make one similar or make something similar. But as you can see now, there's so much glitter locked into the statue. And it's permanently sealed with epoxy resin. So I can wipe her down. I can put oils on her. I can clean the statue and different things. And I don't have to worry about the paint job being ruined. I did use thin foil paper to create the scythe. I used thin foil paper. I attached it to the gray paint that I was telling you about. And I placed the little delicate pieces of silver foil onto the scythe, and then I painted it with clear coating to lock in the foil, and then I put glitter on it, and then I put epoxy and glitter on it. So there's like so many steps that I did, but that's what I did, y'all. I'm so happy. I feel like she's beautiful. I also accented her bones and her the skeletal structure. I highlighted that as well. Thanks.